So we've just come this way to have an explore, but I think it just leads round to the road. But there used to be a walkway down here. Yeah. Used to be a walkway. And never known where it goes to. It sounds like it just goes to the road. So why would you have a walkway through? Remember what I said about the box? This is normally where you would come here because it was always covered in water, this bit. Isn't it, Neo? Yeah. So we've never been able to walk on this before, ever. This is absolutely new. Because it's always, but because it's been so hot, it's dried it up completely. I think we're just going around in a circle though, Neo. We're going back on ourselves. Nee. Yeah. I think we're going back on ourselves, mate. Oh. Right.
Let's go back then.
I don't think there's anywhere to properly explore because we're just going back on ourselves again. God. She is loving it though. She is having a right good explore. Hey? This way, G. Good girl. Yeah, this is all new, Gia, isn't it? Hey? Never been here before. This way, baby. Oh! I just fell down that hole. That is a lot deeper, as you can see, than it looks. It's my whole entire foot, look. And I just fell down it. Oh my god, I'm so lucky I didn't just break my ankle. I can't believe I didn't just break my ankle. Yeah, look how deep it is.
That ain't that deep.
It is when you stick your foot in it, mate, and you're not expecting it. Come on.
What the?
Come on.
At least scared me.
It is really cool in here though, because it's all really green and squodgy. It's lovely.
I'm going to try to jump it.
I wonder what they're doing. I wonder what's going on. It's weird. It's weird they've pulled all the thing up, the walkway. Where did it go? What was it for? I know, you can see where it was, yeah. Why is it gone? And why was it here in the first place? Because it didn't lead to anywhere. It's just weird. How'd you get? Ah! Hold on. Here. She wants to walk up it. We can't. It stops here. Can't go no further, G. Go, G. Oh.
I'm digging very old, dirty water.
It's not. Look how clear it is.
Can I drink it?
No. Oh, Gia! What are you doing?
Oh no!
Gia! Why'd you do that? You lucky puppy! Why'd you lay down for? Ah! Gia! You monster!
Look, let me go in that bit.
Listen, deeper! No, I don't want her to lay down in here. She just did that on her own accord. Monkey, come on.
Go, Gia.
What the heck? She is shaking all over me. Go on, pup. Ugh, now you're all tucked up with your lead, look. Neo, untangle her foot, please. under her leg. You go.
Oh no.
Go on, please. I can't do it. Just do it. Oh, she done it herself. Look. Oh, good girl, dear. Goodness me. Bit of dirt, Neo. Well, that was weird, strange, didn't go anywhere, wasn't anything, isn't anything. What's it for? Goodness knows. Anyway, be kind. Bye. Peace.